Well, hello there, fabulous people. Happy New Year. Hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and New Year celebration. Today, I'm going to be showing you my easy peasy method of how to make this quick porridge oats. It's a perfect breakfast. So to begin, I'm using 2.5 cups of rolled oats. I'm using 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to add equal amounts of water and milk in a 50-50 ratio. So that's 1/2 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of water. Now just for flavor, I love cinnamon. I'm adding just a pinch of cinnamon to this. Before placing this on my stove, I like to leave these to rest for between 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll place it on my stove. Now once you place it on your stove, simply mix it nicely and cover with a lid. You need to not leave the stove at all because this can bubble out of control. So do remember to keep an eye on it. Now once this begins to bubble rigorously, it is time. Just begin to mix and mix and mix. And this should take between 3 to 5 minutes, and it would cook very nicely and thicken up very nicely. Can I also remind you, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. This is Megshaw's Kitchen. I'd like to remind you to press the like button and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you very much for that. So back to the porridge. Once it's nice and bubbly for about 5 minutes, it is absolutely ready. Now I'm going to simply serve a portion into my bowl. And I like to actually have my porridge with some berries. So I'm using some blackberries and some strawberries. It is absolutely filling and just the perfect breakfast. I'm also going to be putting a little drizzle of some honey on top. And that's it. Breakfast is ready. I'd like to welcome you again to 2025. Hope you all have a wonderful year and all of your dreams come true. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.